Hey friends, artist resin here. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with some tea light making series. So let's start with tea lights. And this is Lotus Candle Holder. You must have seen it at many sites and all. So I have purchased it from Bhumiya resin store. So I have kept my resin ready, kept my cups ready, and I'm going to make translucent tea light. So these are green, blue, and this is purplish red. So I'll just speed up the video, mix the colors, and keep them aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'll start pouring it, and this will also be a random pour. I'm so excited. Let's do more. Where are my colors? Seems black.